Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to record IVR audio, whether we want to record it from the IP PBX or using a program such as Audacity. To begin, we will go to PBX Settings, Voice Prompt, to the section that says Custom Prompt, and here we will click on Record, give it a name, and select the wave format, which is recommended for better audio quality. We will select any extension that we have active and simply click on the Record button. The IP PBX will send a call to the device, we will answer it and start recording, wait for the recording instructions and hang up once the recording is finished. Refresh the page and test one will appear. You can play this file on the phone or download it and upload it directly to the IVR. Go to Basic Settings, IVR, select Upload Audio File, select it, and then all you have to do is find where you saved it, called Test1, and click Save and Apply. The other way to make a recording if you don't want to use the IP PBX is to use a program called Audacity. This program is free and can be downloaded. The first thing we have to do is identify the Audio Setup tab. Go to Audio Settings, where information will be displayed. What we have to consider is that it has to be in mono channel. It has to be at 8000 Hz and 16 bits. When exporting it, we should be asked what format we want, and we select Wave Format. Another way to find the same tab is to go to Edit, Preferences, wait for it to appear, and here we see Audio Settings. We would select the same thing, the mono channel. We have stereo or mono, it would be mono at 8000 Hz, and we set it to 16 bits. Once this is done, we click OK. And we can now press the Record button. Start recording, test, test, test. When you are finished, press Stop and export the file. Select File, Export Audio, and choose to export to your computer. Here you will see the wave format. Select a name and the folder where you want to save it. I will put it in Downloads, the wave format will be selected. If you look, the mono channel is already set to 8000 Hz and 16 bits, which is what is needed so that there are no problems with the audio. We export. Once exported, we can close the program. We select No and go to IVR. In Basic Settings, IVR, we select our IVR and click on Upload Audio File. We select the file, click on Open, and select it. It is called Record Welcome. With that, the audio has been successfully uploaded. If we want to test it to see if it works, we can register an extension. Here we have 1002. We are going to dial 7002, which is the IVR extension. This IVR has 7002. We go to Active Call, dial 7002 from the extension, and the audio we recorded in Audacity is played. This completes the test. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.